Beetroot juice, often referred to as a miracle elixir, has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and B6, along with iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, drinking beetroot juice for 21 consecutive days can lead to remarkable changes in your body and overall well-being. Here's what you can expect. Enhanced energy levels. Beetroot juice is a natural source of nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. After 21 days of drinking it, you'll notice a significant boost in stamina and energy, especially during workouts or daily activities. It's like a natural energy drink that keeps you active and productive. Improved skin health. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, beetroot juice helps flush out toxins and purify your blood. This detoxifying effect can result in a glowing, blemish-free complexion. By day 21, your skin will feel rejuvenated, hydrated, and noticeably smoother. Better digestive health. The fiber content in beetroot juice supports healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Drinking it daily can reduce bloating, promote gut health, and enhance nutrient absorption. By the third week, you'll likely experience a lighter and more comfortable digestive system. Lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that the nitrates in beetroot juice help dilate blood vessels, leading to improved circulation and lower blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you may observe a significant reduction in your readings after consistent consumption for 21 days. Enhanced brain function. Improved blood flow doesn't just benefit the body, it also boosts brain health. Beetroot juice can enhance cognitive function, memory, and focus. After 21 days, you might feel mentally sharper, with increased clarity and reduced brain fog. Strengthened immunity. Loaded with vitamin C and essential minerals, beetroot juice can strengthen your immune system. Regular consumption over 3 weeks can make you less susceptible to colds, infections, and seasonal illnesses. Weight loss and detoxification. If weight loss is your goal, beetroot juice can be your ally. Its low-calorie content combined with natural sweetness makes it a satisfying drink without unnecessary calories. The detoxifying properties help eliminate toxins, aiding in weight management and leaving you feeling lighter. Improved athletic performance. Athletes often turn to beetroot juice for its ability to enhance endurance and performance. By improving oxygen efficiency in the body, you might notice better workout results and quicker recovery times by the end of the 21-day period. How to incorporate beetroot juice to reap these benefits. Drink 1 glass of fresh beetroot juice daily. For better taste, you can mix it with carrots, oranges, or ginger. Always use fresh, organic beets and avoid adding artificial sweeteners to maximize its natural benefits. Final thoughts. While beetroot juice can work wonders, it's important to listen to your body. Some people may experience mild side effects like beeturia, pink urine, which is harmless. Consult your doctor before starting if you have any underlying health conditions. After 21 days, you'll not only feel healthier but also develop a habit that benefits your body in the long term. Start today and experience the transformation.